Outrich Elite is either a hidden gem, or a complete waste of money. And after testing it, I can tell you, most people are using it wrong. Let's be honest, every week, there's a new, make money online, product. And they all say the same thing. Easy money, beginner friendly, done for you system. So when I saw Outrich Elite, I didn't trust it at all. But instead of guessing, I tested it. And what I found might surprise you. You're not here for hype. You're here because you want real results. You don't want to waste money again, and you're tired of fake promises. So let's break this down, honestly. Outrich Elite is a system designed to help beginners start making money online using funnels, training automation. Basically, it tries to simplify everything. But here's the truth, simple systems only work if you understand one thing. And this is where 90% of people fail. Outrich Elite is not the business. It's just the system. The real game is traffic plus consistency. Without that, nothing happens. Here's the actual process. Get access, link in description, follow the training, set up your funnel, drive traffic, that's it. No magic. No secret hack. When I explored it, here's what I noticed immediately. It's clean, it's beginner friendly, it removes confusion, but also, it doesn't do the hard part for you. And that's where people quit. Expectation. Set it up right pointing arrow, make money. Reality. Learn right pointing arrow, test right pointing arrow, fail right pointing arrow, improve right pointing arrow, then earn. That gap. That's where most buyers lose. The creators are experienced in digital marketing. So this isn't some random low quality product. But experience doesn't guarantee your results. Let's talk about reviews. Sales page shows strong results. Some YouTubers recommend it, some say it didn't work. Why the difference? Because results depend on execution. Let's keep it real. Here's what I liked. Beginner friendly system, clear structure, saves time, good starting point if you're confused about where to start. This helps. Now the truth, no traffic included, no guaranteed income. Upsells inside requires patience, and here's the big one. If you don't take action, this is useless. Yes, the entry price is low. But don't get fooled. Because inside, there are upgrades, additional tools, optional features, so your total investment can go up. Compared to other systems, easier than advanced tools, less overwhelming than big courses, but not as powerful as premium setups. It's a starter system, not an advanced one. Buy this if you're a beginner, you want a structured path, you're ready to learn plus apply. Don't buy this if you want passive income instantly, you're not willing to learn, you expect done for you money, because that doesn't exist. So, is Outrich Elite worth it? Yes, if you treat it like a real business. No, if you treat it like a shortcut. That's the honest truth. If you want to check it out, I've put the official link below. Go through it carefully. Make your decision based on logic, not hype. And remember, tools don't make money. People who use them properly do.